Hard-working industrial powertrains keep your business moving, which is why a perfectly engineered system protects the bottom line. With wide component and application diversity, every OEM and end user needs one trusted advisor to efficiently overcome their next challenge. Offering an exceptional portfolio of innovations and integrated service support, Regal Rexnord is the only strategic partner for your powertrain. When a cooling tower operator wanted to consolidate its powertrain components and eliminate a problematic gearbox, we provided a complete system including coupling, gearbox, and electric motor. Our single-source support simplified logistics, delivering freight cost savings of 60% and unlocking a 5% reduction across the entire project, while minimizing the risk of missed deliveries from consolidated shipping. We're delivering concrete benefits in the cement industry too. An OEM designing a rotary calciner drum drive trusted Regal Rexnord to specify its complete power transmission system. By providing a turnkey, pre-assembled solution with reducers, motors, couplings, bearings, and sensors on a custom fabricated bed plate, we shorten the project completion time by 25% and save the customer $13,000. To reduce maintenance costs, energy consumption, and damaged products, one of the world's largest brewing companies relied on us to redesign its production line. New, durable components increased reliability, while right-sized motors and gearboxes saved 5 million kilowatt-hours per year. Additionally, a switch to dry running prevented rejects. The customer saved over $300,000 per line annually, with payback achieved in under 7 months. In any industry, Regal Rexnord empowers you with integrated systems featuring equipment tailored to your application by our expert team to save you time, add value, and improve reliability. We'll stay with you beyond that with our perceptive condition monitoring ecosystem and service support, securing your long-term reliability and productivity. For powering your industry, there's only one choice. We're creating better powertrains for a better tomorrow. Regal Rexnord.